Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to hardware decoding here, you just click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean hardware decoding enable with us now. So that's all you have to do, you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.